Hello, prices have been mixed and have seesawed throughout the week, so let's have a look at the week's actions in some more detail. Monday's session opened in line with Friday's bullish close. However, the gains reversed later on in the day. Prices softened as US production continued to rise, which could ultimately limit the impact of OPEC's production cuts. Front-month Brent closed on Monday $1.75 per barrel lower than Friday's close. Prices continued to soften on Tuesday before posting gains on Wednesday. And although the weekly EIA report showed an increase in stocks of 1.8 million barrels, the rise was less than expected, and this pressured prices up nearly $0.50 per barrel. Prices continued to rise on Thursday thanks to a weaker dollar. Last night, Brent closed at $63.22 per barrel, and despite the gains seen later in the week, this was still nearly $2 per barrel lower than last Friday. Lower temperatures led to demand being above seasonal norm. As a result, prompt prices rose on Monday. Longer dated contracts were directed higher by the bullish prompt, as well as the initial strength seen in oil. Prices continued to strengthen on Tuesday, largely supported by lower temperature forecasts. March 18 gained 1.75 pence per therm, whilst longer dated contracts took some direction from the near curve. The gains were less marked. All contracts eased on Wednesday, with the greatest movement seen on the prompt. Prices eased as temperature forecasts once again were revised, but this time upwards. Curve contracts closed flat, torn between bearish prompt and bullish oil. Prompt and near-term contracts continued to make noticeable losses on Thursday, although curve contracts closed higher in line with oil. Last night, near-term contracts closed lower than last Friday, whilst curve contracts from summer 19 onwards closed higher. Oil power contracts rose on Monday, supported by higher gas and European coal prices. Day-ahead prices eased on Tuesday as wind generation increased, although all other contracts continued to climb. March 18 gained just over £1 per megawatt hour day on day. Negative movements seen in gas filtered through into the near-term power prices on Wednesday. However, curve contracts were less active and closed the session flat. All contracts closed lower on Thursday, but despite the losses seen in the later half of the week, most seasonal contracts from summer 18 onwards closed higher than last Friday by around £0.25 per megawatt hour. You can download this report from our website. Thanks for watching. See you next week.